What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing LED headlights that I got from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description where you can find these ones. They are under $25 and they are well worth it because a normal headlight from AutoZone or O'Reilly's is gonna run you over $10. I know these halogen lights, they are not cheap. I'm pretty sure they're over $10 a piece. So the LED headlights, for only being about $22, and you can order them on Amazon Prime and they can be there the next day. This box comes with 2 LED headlights and these things are supposed to last greater than 30,000 hours. Definitely well worth it if you plan on replacing your headlights. So it comes in the box. Now I already have the box open and it comes with 2 LED bulbs here. And I believe this adapter is not going to fit with my OEM adapter. I might have to do some splicing on this. And if they don't work, I can splice my old ones back in. So to remove the F150 headlights, you're gonna have 2 bolts up here. You're gonna have to remove this headlight shroud, and then underneath the shroud, you also have this piece, which has 6 bolts holding it in. So you'll remove this piece off of here, set it aside. And then the other bolt that's holding the headlight in, you can see these 2, but the other one is up inside there. As you can see, the hole is empty because I've already taken it out, but there will be a hole right there. And it's between the 2 bolts that are holding the grill, or between that bolt right there and that bolt up there. There's a bolt holding the headlight in there. There's only 3 bolts actually holding the headlight assembly in there. So you remove those 3 bolts and this headlight should come straight out. Yeah, supposedly these are a lot brighter. It has a lot wider light than the halogen headlight, because the halogen headlight is a yellow color like you see, and these will be more of a wider, less yellow light. I have the headlight taken out now, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the dim headlight and splice this one in there. We're gonna leave the brights as the normal bulb that's in there. It's a halogen bulb too. I could order another kit and then have LEDs in both, but for now we're just gonna do the dims as the LEDs. So to do that, the bulb is underneath this rubber cover right here. You just simply grab it on the side and pull it out, and you have your connector here. I'm going to unplug this, and then we will go ahead and see if our new light fits in there. I'm not sure if it'll plug right up. I don't think so, but if not, we will splice it in there. All right, so as you can see, there was no splicing necessary. These actually plug right into the F150 headlights. So I thought I was gonna have to cut this wire and splice them together, which I can do, but I tried plugging it in and it lights right up. That is super bright. And I believe they will actually just clip right in there too, because this is the same as the OEM headlight, where the clips are that go into the hole. You stick them in and you just twist it, and it should lock into place like so. I'm just gonna install this back into the truck with it like this. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes and see how hot it actually gets. And then if it doesn't get too hot, then we'll throw our rubber piece back on there and tuck this inside this hole right here, and should be good to go. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this all put back together, and we'll see how she looks. You can see on the camera how we got yellow and we got white. This is the new headlight and that's the old headlight. I don't know about you, but I think I like that one a little bit better. Yeah, that one's better. Still letting this sit here, seeing how hot this back piece gets on here. Don't want to catch my truck on fire. I think it's made to not get very hot right here. So I'm gonna let it sit and see how hot it gets. Okay, so I just noticed there's actually a fan inside here that spins. I went to touch the back side of this one and I could feel it spinning in there. It's actually spinning inside here. So I guess that's designed to keep these cool. And if we put a cover on the back side of this, there shouldn't be any reason that that fan should ever quit working. I guess we're gonna run with it and put our headlights back together. Both in here, they look so much better not being yellow. If you look at the wall, no more yellow. That is so much better than the stock headlights. Now that I got these in, I'm gonna adjust them down a little bit because I know my headlights are a little high because the truck is lifted, and I've been flashed before for my headlights being too bright when I don't even have my brights on. So these are gonna be even brighter. So now we're gonna adjust the headlights down so that these LED lights aren't blinding people. And to adjust them down, there is right here in the middle of your headlight, this little hole right here, and there's a little gear in there, and you can take a flathead screwdriver and put it in there and twist, and that will move these up and down. I was able to find an Apex Phillips head. You stick it in there like this. As you can see, the plastic piece on the back side, it's spinning as I spin the screwdriver. What that doing is actually adjusting the headlight higher and lower. So I'm gonna throw this in the drill because it doesn't move very much for how much you spin it. So we'll put our impact drill in here and we're gonna lower it until we think it's good. It's the wrong way. See, it's going down a lot. That's probably good right there. That's about as far as we can go down. So let's go hit the other side and get them even. Wrong way. All right, there we go. Hopefully those aren't too low. And that's gonna be it, guys. These are $22 or something like that on Amazon. I've had these for a long time and they've been sitting there collecting dust, so finally getting to install them. This would be a much cheaper option than some normal halogen headlights because these will last a lot longer. That's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to check out the link in the description if you want to buy those headlights. I believe they will fit on any newer Ford vehicle because they've just plugged right into mine. So I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.